Good morning from Independence, Missouri. Yeah, I totally judge this place by its cover. Yeah, whatever that saying is. It was a little sketchy last night, rolling in here, but this morning, everyone that I've encountered has been super friendly. People holding the elevator open for me, and just saying good morning. So, this place has grown on me in the past 12 hours. It's maybe like 10:30. I gotta pack up, check out by 11. Don't really have much of a plan for where I'm going. There's this park that has a lake that is swimmable, so I might try and go there and pitch a tent, and then yeah, just hang out. But it's pretty hot out. The sun is definitely out. I got some snacks that should be good for lunch. I got my water. I froze some of the water in the water bottle, so that should keep it cold for the day, I hope. Trucker. But yeah, I gotta pack this up and get the heck out of here. This one park that I was looking up is about like 4 hours, 40-ish miles away, so we'll see how that goes. If I get there in decent timing, maybe I'll keep going, I'm not sure. Again, this is day one, so I have no idea what to expect. I'm gonna miss this place. This is a nice motel. But yeah, I gotta go check out, and then we're gonna hit the road. And like the one thing I haven't really mentioned, but I haven't been filming while I'm biking because I'm still kind of getting used to the whole setup. So I just want to play it safe, and I don't know what kind of traffic I'm going to be riding with. I think it'll be pretty light. I put on Google Maps trying to avoid highways. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, day one, let's go. So Google Maps spit me out of that one forest area and threw me on this highway with no shoulder. Yeah. Yeah, there's no chance. This is a 20-minute faster route, but I rerouted to go down that right there. I think it's gonna be a lot safer. I'm not trying to drive on the road where they're going at least like 65 miles an hour. It's dumb. I'm gonna go back that way. Ugh. I'm stoked I got to go through that forest area, but like being spit on this is kind of annoying. To the beach, guys. Psych. Yeah, the beach is closed, so I'm not gonna be bathing here. I guess I'm just gonna go straight into town. I'll probably maybe get a motel. This is a little disheartening, but I'm not gonna let this ruin my day. I'm gonna go in, probably just shower, get some good food. I'm gonna pay for it, but it's gonna be worth it. I really need to shower. I would never want to go in a sleeping bag in this kind of condition. So yeah, decided to try and make the most of this loss and get some snacks and charge my phone. I'm gonna munch for a little bit and then yeah, maybe I'll check back once I get into town and figure out the situation. Maybe I'll figure out my sleeping situation here and yeah, probably get a motel. Yo, I am in DeSoto, Kansas. I think this is DeSoto. It's a metropolis. Just kidding, that's probably Kansas City. Dude, I'm dead. One thing I realized, like right before I left and my phone was charged a little bit, I lost my sandals. They were kind of nudged in between my sleeping bag and this little saddle pouch, and I rode on gravel. There was a dog that chased me that I had to kind of book it away from. It could have fallen off during that time. So yeah, lost my sandals. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna see what kind of food is around here. I'm gonna take a shower first, wash these clothes.